Okay, so once more, you are all specially welcome to this webinar titled Building a Successful Tech Career, even as a beginner or as a student. And this webinar is being organized by Tech Elite Community. So to begin, uh, who am I? I am called Godwill Peter, and I am a software developer. I've been in the industry now for close to 7 years. I am equally enthusiastic and passionate about other fields in technology, such as artificial intelligence, such as tech entrepreneurship, and equally have skills in those areas. So, as mentioned earlier, this webinar is organized by Tech Elite Community. So before we dive into the content of this webinar, dish out few sentences about Tech Elite. So we are basically a vibrant network of tech enthusiasts, experts, and change makers who are passionate about using technology as a tool for impact. And our vision in Tech Elite Community is to drive digital transformation through innovation, and empower the next generation of tech leaders. I hope everyone can hear me. Network seems quite unstable today in this territory of Cameroon. Um, it's been going on so for some time now. So I hope you can hear me. And at some point, if you do not hear me, please drop a message in the chat or indicate. I hope at this point everyone can hear me. Okay, thank you so much. So, as Tech Elite Community, at our core, we exist to identify and nurture tech talents in Cameroon and beyond Cameroon. Um, we exist to advocate for women in tech and STEM, that's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and creating inclusive opportunities. And we equally exist to support and on their journey into tech. Effectively, why we have such webinars, and as well to build a trusted freelance marketplace where individuals, companies, and organizations can confidently find and hire skilled tech professionals. And so reason why to bring our mission to life as Tech Elite Community, we organize online and on-site meetups and webinars just as this one, skills training, sessions, and mentorship forums. And all of these designed to uplift, to connect, and empower our growing tech community. So that's a brief summary about Tech Elite Community, and it was quite important that you get to know um, who are those organizing this. Um, Now we are going to breaker. Um, One everyone here, in one word, how are you feeling about your tech journey right now? Are you excited? Are you nervous? Are you curious? Are you lost? Are you hopeful? Or are you motivated? Or are you overwhelmed? So I want to see you all in the chat. Drop something. Drop a word that describes your tech journey right now. Your journey into technology, either as a student, as a professional, as a beginner, or as someone switching fields or career. Drop a word in the chat right now about what your tech career feels. I'm in the chat with you guys. Come on. Are you excited? Are you nervous? Are you curious? Are you lost in your tech journey? Are you hopeful, motivated? Yes, I can't see anything in the. Please drop a word in the chat about your tech journey right now. A word that describes your tech journey right now. Okay, curious. Wesley says he's curious. Then, okay, that's awesome. Anyone else? I can see Ambo say, oh, okay, curious. Okay, thank you. Plasi, Silenu, welcome. I hope you are doing fine. You came in when we are at our icebreaker. So drop a word in the chat. What describes your tech journey right now? Are you excited? Are you nervous? Are you lost? Okay. For a beginner, it's challenging, but it's what he's doing. That is awesome. So whether you are a student or career switcher or just tech curious, I want to assure you that this session is designed with you in mind. And you know, the tech industry or the tech world can feel overwhelming at first because we have so many paths, so many tools, so many noise. Sometimes um, you might look at the level where you are and see the level of some other person and feel intimidated and feel like um, this is just a long route that you have to, and you might really find it difficult. So many parts. We have data science, we have data analytics, we have web development, we have mobile app development, we have machine learning, we have artificial intelligence, we have community management, we have digital marketing. So many parts and so many noise. And sometimes one can feel very, so overwhelming, so confused. And tonight we are simply going to look at practical tips, real world insights, and the encouragement you need to take that first or next step in your tech journey. Now, building a successful tech career, and this is ideal for beginners, students, recent graduates. Sometimes even as recent graduates in tech, some have quite huge challenge to kick off in the industry. And the tips we are going to be sharing tonight, I encourage everyone to take note of it and do not just listen, but implement them. Now, in order to build a successful or student or recent graduate or someone switching career, the first thing which you must have in mind is to have a skill and be good at it. To have a skill and be good at it. Now, tech or the world of technology is a skill-based industry. It's a skill-based industry. You must understand that degrees help, right? It's important to have degrees, it's important to have certifications. But what employers and teams care about is the question, can you solve problems? Can you solve problems? Can you build things? Can you deliver value? So if you're starting up in the tech industry, this question should be the first answer. Can you solve problems? Do you have a skill? Do not just have a skill, but be good at it. Because we live in a time where many people are embracing mediocrity. It amazes me that people complain that there are no jobs. But to be honest with you, there are companies out there looking for jobs, looking for workers. There are open roles out there. So what then could be the challenge that there are companies are looking for skills and people are looking for jobs? What could be the issue? That gap, the gap we have within is simply the fact that people are not skilled. We live in a time where people carry titles. You hear someone carrying the title, I am a software engineer, but has no skill, but is not good at a particular in a particular skill. And so the question is, can you solve problems? Can you build things? What can you do? I hope you all can hear me now. My network. Can everyone hear me, please? Okay, yes, I am back online. Can anyone hear me? Please give a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Like I said, the internet on the territory is really, it's a national issue. It's really not stable. So as I was saying, the important question you must ask yourself, which you must answer as you venture into the tech industry is, do you have a skill? And be good at it. Be a master of something. Okay, Mr. Iwan's hand is raised. You would you want to think at this point? Please go ahead. They are unable to, one, have a skill and be good at it. So in tech, you don't get better by watching. You grow by building. So how do you handle this? You must choose a skill path. You must choose a skill path. So the verse and we have now you must have a skill path where you commit to learn and growing in it deeply. And so as you learn, don't just watch, but practice and build. Remember the question like, what can you build? What value can you deliver? Now, on this slide, you can find it's a summary of some, we have software and web development, data analytics, we have data analytics, we have data science, we have product design, you have project management, we have AI and machine learning, we have cloud computing and DevOps, we have technical writing, we have content, digital marketing,